ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। हम अपने पिछले लेक्चर में आपको पहले भी बता चुके हैं अबाउट द मेथड ऑफ वेरिएशन ऑफ पैरामीटर। और इस मेथड में जो भी यूज़ हो रहा है, जैसे कि रॉन्स्किन, ये भी हम करवा चुके हैं। इससे पहले हमारे पास जो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फंक्शन है उसे भी हम सॉल्व कर चुके हैं। बेसिकली ये जो मेथड है ये डायरेक्ट हम जनरल सॉल्यूशन निकाल सकते हैं नॉन होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का बिना पार्टिकुलर इंटीग्रल निकाले हुए। ठीक है। एंड वी ऑलरेडी लर्न द प्रोसेस ऑफ method of variation of parameter in our previous lecture. Now in this lecture we will solve an example using the variation of parameter. Okay, we already learned about the variation of parameter, and we know that the variation of parameter method is a method in which we can directly find the general solution of a non-homogeneous differential equation without finding the particular integral. And we can use the complementary function and Wronskian of the linear independent solution of the differential equation. So let us take an example. In this example we have a differential equation of second order. This is the y double dash plus 3y dash plus 2y equal to 2 e to the power x. First we need to find the auxiliary equation and then the complementary function of this differential equation. The auxiliary equation is m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0, and we can easily calculate the roots of this equation. The roots of this equation is m equal to minus 1 and minus 2. With the help of the roots of this equation we can easily generate the complementary function. This is the a e to the power minus x plus b e to the power minus 2x. ओके, अगर आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फंक्शन में प्रॉब्लम होती है तो आप पिछले लेक्चर देख सकते हो. And next we can assume the general solution of this differential equation, like this is ax e to the power minus x. At the place of a, this is the arbitrary constant. At the place of arbitrary constant, first we assume the function ax, and the general solution is a yx equal to ax e to the power minus x plus bx e to the power minus 2x. Because we need the linearly independent solution for finding the general solution and Wronskian of this differential equation, and the linear independent solution of the differential equation from the complementary function is the Li solutions are, first is the e to the power minus 2x, second is the e to the power e to the power minus x and e to the power minus 2x. Okay, this is the first and second Li solution of the differential equation. This is denoted by y1x and y2x. With the help of the linearly independent solutions y1 and y2, we can easily calculate the Wronskian of the linear independent solution, or we can say that we can verify these solution are Li or not. The Wronskian of this differential equation is y1, y2, y1 dash and y2 dash. It is equal to e to the power minus x, e to the power minus 2x. Okay, this is the y1, y2, and derivative of this is the minus e to the power minus x and minus 2 e to the power minus 2x. And after solving this determinant, we have the Wronskian of this value equal to e to the power minus e to the power 3x. The value of ax equal to minus integration of gx y2x upon Wronskian dx plus c1. We have the value of gx. This is the gx. We know about the formula of gx. Gx is a function which we can generate from Rx. The value of right hand side, this is the Rx. Rx is the e to the power 2 e to the power x, and a naught x is, this is the a naught x, the multiple of this. This is the a naught x here. This is a1 x here, a2 x here, and a naught x is this is the gx equal to rx upon a naught x. This is 1. It's mean the value of gx equal to 2 e to the power x. When you put it here, and after solving this integration, we have the value of ax is e to the power 2x plus c1. Similarly, the value of bx, it is the integration of gx upon y1x upon Wronskian dx plus c1. When we put the value here, then the answer of this value is this. Okay. Now we have the values of a1x and a2x. We can put the value of a1x and a2x, and we can easily find the general solution of this differential equation. So the value of a1x and a2x are okay. So the general solution of differential equation is yx equal to a1x is e to the power 2x plus c1 and e to the power minus x plus bx is, this is the value of bx is minus 2 upon 3 e to the power 3x plus c2, and this value is e to the power minus 2x. Okay. Now this is the general solution of this differential equation. We can easily solve the this type general solution of differential equation, like when we multiply this inside this bracket, then we have e to the power x plus c1 e to the power minus x minus 2 upon 3 e to the power x, 2 upon 3 e to the power x plus c2 e to the power minus 2x. Okay. This is equal to e to the power x. We have the 1 minus 2 upon 3, and second part is e to the power c1 e to the power minus x plus c2 e to the power minus 2x. Okay. Then it is equal to 1 upon 3 e to the power x, c1 e to the power minus x, c2 e to the power minus 2. This is the general solution of this differential equation. Now, in this process, we can easily solve the differential equation without finding the particular integral. Okay. Friends, we will solve the another example in our next lecture. Thank you.